Most probably you guys are here to know how I got this for 1799. Well, I will talk about that later after my first impression. Hey there, this is new OnePlus latest and cheapest wireless headphone, the OnePlus Wireless Z or Z, I guess. So let's unbox this. After sanitizing, the first thing you will notice the classic white and red themed OnePlus box. The unboxing experience was a little bit better than other earphone in this price range. Here you will get this box, and on this side you will notice red cable and couple of air tips, and on the other side the manual and some other paper stuff. Let's talk about the collar band now. This band is made out of plastic and the cable feels like cheap. Yeah, they are made out of cheap plastic. On the other side, the volume controller, mic and quick toggle button is available. And beside the button, a small light is available which gonna turn red while charging and if it has low battery. Otherwise, it will glow in white color. There is no power button. So if you want to turn this device on, then all you have to do is just detach the earphones and there you go. Many of you guys already know this, but for those who don't know, this device base is not that great. So I bought this device because of its quick charge and battery, and another main thing is that quick connect. So whenever I need to switch, all I need to do just click this button twice and done. Not only that, after turning this device on, it will get automatically connected to the last connected device within 2 to 3 seconds. And if you turn this off, I mean attach this earpiece again, the music will pause automatically. And yeah, it has IP55 ratings. A nice little touch. And now how I bought this for 1799, which is same as Realme Buds wireless price. Well, first you need to collect a OnePlus Bullet 2 wireless invitation from OnePlus USA site, then redeem that, and coming back to Indian store, while checking out you will notice it already got applied with a 200 Indian rupees coupon. So that's all for this video. The review of this will come after few weeks, so stay connected and some more gadgets videos are coming soon.